Okay, so this is 2C from the assignment, and what I noticed the other day in class is that a lot of students were actually trying to like multiply these, but because of this minus, what you need to realize is that this is actually an adding and subtracting problem. And the other thing you want to take note of is where is this to? So it's asking you to square, but it's asking you to square this whole darn thing. And so, some of you might be thinking, oh, I should write this twice and then do a whole lot of multiplying, but really what you need to do is order of operations. So you need to actually simplify this whole inside before you even think about squaring it. So I do see some multiplying. This -2 needs to get distributed. When I distribute the -2, I actually don't need these parentheses anymore. So this will just be 5 minus I. And then I'll do -2 times 1, which is -2. And then -2 times 3i. So negative times negative, it's going to become positive 6i. All of that is in one big bracket squared. Okay? So again, inside, you should simplify everything that you can. So I'm going to combine my like terms. I've got 5 minus 2, which is going to be 3. And then I've got -I plus 6i. So that's going to be positive 5i. And that's squared. And so now, this is as simplified as it gets on the inside. So now I'm ready to do my squaring. So I'm going to have 3 plus 5i times 3 plus 5i. And this is just multiplying two binomials. So the acronym FOIL can help you. First, outside, inside, last. 3 times 3 is going to be 9. 3 times 5i is going to be 15i. 5i times 3, 15i. 5i times 5i is going to be 25i squared. Okay? At this point, when you go to combine your like terms, you need to be, your brain should be going ding, ding, ding. I squared is the same as -1. So what you really have is 9 plus, these are like terms, so I'm going to have 30i. And then I'm going to have 25, and that I squared is really just multiplying by -1. So this is going to be a -25, and of course you don't need to write this many steps if you don't need them, but I just want to make it really clear where everything came from. So the I squared got replaced by -1, 25 times -1 gives you -25. Now I'm ready to combine these like terms, so 9 minus 25 is going to be -16 plus 30i. And that is your final answer for 2C.